Here we will see metadata in .NET Framework. A metadata is a machine-readable information, that is binary information, about a resources, that is program, which is stored either in CLR portable executable file or in memory. It includes details on the content, format, size, or other characteristics of data source. When a code is compiled into portable executable file, metadata is inserted into one portion of the file. Metadata is the information about the assemblies, modules, and types that constitute the .NET programs. In .NET, metadata is a common mechanism that the .NET runtime compilers and tools can be used. During the execution of MSIL, that is Microsoft Intermediate Language, metadata is also loaded into memory for proper interpretation of classes and related information used in code. So, metadata helps to implement the code in a language neutral manner or achieve language interoperability. The information stored by metadata are descriptions of the assembly, that is, the identity which contains name, version, culture and public key, the types that are exported, other assemblies that this assembly depends on, and the security permissions needed to run. Then description of types, that is name, visibility, base class and interfaces implemented, and the members like methods, fields, properties, events and nested types, and attributes, which is an additional descriptive element that modify types and members. Uses of metadata are: it provides description about the assembly data types like name, visibility, base class and interfaces, etc. It provides data members like methods, fields, properties, events and nested types. It also provides additional description of the elements that modifies the types and members. It has the identity like name, version, public key. It is a key to simple programming model and it will eliminate the necessity of IDL, that is interface definition language, files and header files. Different benefits of metadata are: it reduces the need for IDL and header files and facilitates the .NET automated language neutral definitions. Metadata consists of self-describing files, assemblies and common language runtime modules that can easily talk to OS and don't need registration. Special metadata known as attributes are declared by the .NET and can control program behavior at execution. Metadata offers detailed data regarding compiled code in other language and hence supports language interoperability. Making a class instance in language is feasible. That helps for a customized interoperability code. Components of edu.NET that uses metadata are: CLR. The common language runtime uses metadata for verification, security enforcement, memory layout and execution. The CLR relies heavily on metadata to support these runtime features. Class loader. The class loader uses metadata to find load .NET classes. This is because metadata records detailed information for a specific class and where the class is located, whether it is in the same assembly or outside a specific namespace or in a dependent assembly somewhere on the network. JIT compilers. JIT compilers uses metadata to compile intermediate language code. The .NET JIT compiles intermediate language into native code prior to execution and it does this thing using metadata. And tools. Tools uses metadata to support integration. Tools such as debuggers, profilers or object browsers can use metadata to provide richer development support.